Looking for a classic car project? We found 11 incredible vintage rides starting at just $1,000. From muscle cars to rare finds, these classics are waiting for the right owner to bring them back to life. 1. 1972 Plymouth Fury Gran Sedan, $1,000 Kalamazoo, Michigan. A 1972 Plymouth Fury Gran Sedan up for auction with a starting bid of $1,000. It features a 5.9L V8 360 engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 43,870 miles, believed to be original. Recently arrived from Washington, this classic sedan has little to no rust and is in very good condition. Runs and drives well, available for inspection at Bidergy.com before the auction on February 26th. (1962) Ford Mercury Comet, $1,200, Lynn, Indiana. A one-owner 1962 Ford Mercury Comet, all original and priced at $1,200. It comes with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The motor is currently stuck from sitting, and the floorboards and trunk need replacement. The car includes all original paperwork from its purchase. The seller is open to offers or potential trades for a squatty truck. (3) 1974 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D, $2,950, Borough, North Carolina. A 1974 Chevrolet Camaro LT priced at $2,950. It features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory editioning, and a brown tweed interior. The car has been sitting since 2003 and has rust in the floor and trunk pans, but it remains a complete project car with its original engine. The seller is open to trades for a 1968-1972 Chevrolet Nova. (4) 1967 Chrysler Newport, $2,000, Hudson, Florida. A 1967 Chrysler Newport available for $2,000. It has a 383 V8 engine with factory air conditioning and an automatic transmission. The car ran great before being parked 14 years ago. The drum brakes are now locked up and the seller has not attempted to start it. (5) 1979 Jeep CJ5, $2,500, Van Buren, Arkansas. A 1979 Jeep CJ5, priced at $2,500. This off-road classic features a 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and working air conditioning. It needs a rear axle and a new battery. The seller states it ran well before being parked a year ago. (6) 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra II, 2000, Georgia. A 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra II project car, available for $2,000. It has a manual transmission, runs, and shifts well. Comes with all parts needed for restoration except a front windshield. Located in Canton, Georgia. The seller is open to offers and possible trades. (7) 1967 International Harvester Travelall, $2,000, Spring Branch, Texas. A 1967 International Harvester Travelall priced at $2,000. It retains its original V8 engine and manual transmission. The body is in great shape with no major rust spots. The vehicle does not currently run. A clean Texas title is included. The seller is open to trades for a running Chevy 350 small block engine. (8) 1977 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, $2,800, Fort Worth, Texas. A 1977 Ford Mustang II V8 with 78,000 miles, priced at $2,800. It features an automatic transmission and a 302 engine. The motor turns over but does not stay running due to a dirty carburetor and a loose lifter. The interior is complete and the car has a clean title. Nine 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, $2,500, Cleveland, Mississippi. A 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe, listed for $2,500. It needs restoration, including a passenger side quarter panel and glass. It comes with new front end parts and a full disc brake set. The car is supposed to run, but the seller has not attempted to start it. It features a 350 Rocket engine. Ten 1972 Ford LTD two-door, $2,100, Marianna, Florida. A 1972 Ford LTD priced at $2,100. It comes with a 351 Bado engine, C6 automatic transmission, and some modifications, including a cam, aluminum intake, and Holley 600 CFM carburetor. The car runs and drives, but needs work, including rust repair around the glass and transmission fluid leaks. The seller is open to reasonable offers. 11. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Custom, $2,500, Terre Haute, Indiana. A 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Custom project car, priced at $2,500. It has an automatic transmission and needs floor pan replacements. The sale comes with a bill of sale only as there is no title.